In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert MP4 to MP3 in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to extract clean audio from any MP4 and save it as an MP3 using CapCut's export settings. First, open CapCut. Launch the editor and make sure you're in a new or existing project so you can access the timeline and the export panel. The layout may vary slightly depending on your device, but the options we're using are in the same place. Next, add your MP4 file. You can import it from your computer or drag and drop it straight into the media area, then place it on the timeline. This helps CapCut recognize the clip and makes the export options available. If your video has multiple audio tracks, CapCut will use what's on the timeline, so make sure the correct clip is visible and audible. A quick playthrough can confirm that the audio you want is there and at a good volume. Now click on Export. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner. Even though we're creating an audio file, the Export button is where CapCut lets you choose between video and audio outputs, so this is the right place to go. In the Export window, uncheck Video and check Audio. Turning off the video option tells CapCut you don't want a visual file at all. Turning on the audio option switches the panel to audio-only settings. This is the key to converting your MP4 to an MP3 without rendering any unnecessary video data. Then choose a format. Select MP3 to create a widely compatible, compressed audio file that's perfect for podcasts, voice notes, background music, or sharing online. While you're here, check the quality or bitrate setting. Higher bit rates, like 192 or 320 kbps, give you better sound but slightly larger files. If you need a smaller file, 128 kbps is usually fine for speech. Keep the sample rate consistent with your source if that option appears, and give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Finally, click on Export. Pick a destination folder, start the render, and let CapCut process the audio. You'll see a progress bar. When it's done, open the saved MP3 to confirm it sounds as expected. If you run into silence, double-check that the original MP4 has audio and that the correct clip was active on the timeline. That's all you need. Open CapCut, add your MP4, head to Export, disable video, enable audio, choose MP3 and your preferred settings, and export. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly converted MP3.